Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be building the Mattel Brick Shop Audi R8. This thing looks absolutely amazing. And this one, if you guys don't know, actually comes with a real Hot Wheel. And this exact Hot Wheel is exclusive to this set itself. This one is not a premium. I mean, it kind of looks like the premium body with like the paint and everything. It looks like it is a full metal die cast, but does have like the plastic tires. Some of these sets actually have like a Hot Wheel premium car with like the rubber tires and everything. These rims are actually metal. I know the black ones are. I'm not sure about the silver ones, but I'm excited to get into this build. But you can have the standard kind of R8 with like that race livery, or you can build a kind of crazy actual race car LM version of it with like designs. They have like stickers and stuff. And then you kind of see, I don't know if you can see in the little pictures, like a crazy front splitter, bigger wings, stuff like that. So I'm really excited to get into this build. If you guys do want to pick up one of these, there will be a link in the description down below. You guys can actually pick it up on Amazon. That's one of the only places I've seen that they have it in stock. Even like Mattel's website, you can't even get them anymore because they're sold out. But they're on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead, bust this thing open, and get started with the build. I will show you guys some of like the progress as we go along, because I know like the engine bay, maybe there's some other little details with the interior that's going to be all hidden. So I'd like to show you guys kind of what that looks like along the way, so you can see kind of what to expect. And I'm already seeing from some of the pictures on the back, there's going to be some pretty cool stuff inside the car as well. So I'm really excited to get started, but let me go ahead and cut this thing open. So let's slide this out right here. And now we have all of the wheels and tires and everything. Yeah, so these silver rims are plastic, but these black ones are actually metal. They're in there pretty good, so I'll pop those out. Try to be careful so I don't scratch them or anything. So suck. Ooh, there we go. They just kind of popped out. Yeah, those are the rims that are metal. So those actually snap right onto the wheels. And I'll probably go in with those ones because it does match the actual Hot Wheel. Man, that thing looks so good. That is awesome. Look at that car right there. This looks so good. Super aggressive front bumper. Has the giant wing there on the back. I think the standard build has like a regular, almost like street wing. Whereas this one is more of like the actual race car, like the LM version. So I'll probably be making it a little bit crazier, adding like the stickers on the side so it matches like the Hot Wheel as best as possible. But man, this thing looks so freaking good. I cannot wait to get into the build on this. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the build. I'll catch back up with you guys in just a little bit. And for you guys, actually it'll be a couple seconds, but here we go. All right, so I haven't really made it too far into the build yet, but this thing is looking awesome so far. There's the rear of the car. You have the exhaust, the taillights, the Audi logo. And there's the engine sitting right there. You can see the Audi logo up on top. And there's a NOS bottle in where kind of like the passenger seat would be, because it's a race car. It's only going to have the one seat. So it has a little bottle of NOS. So this is actually a pretty cool part of the build. I mean, it is like not very far into it, and it looks pretty cool as well. You can already see like the back end taking form. But I'm going to go ahead and continue on, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a second with a little update of what else is going to be in the car. Alright, so I'm almost done with the build, so I'm not going to give away too much with like the whole front end and everything, but I do want to show you guys a little detail on the inside. So there is like a little control panel right here in the middle, and all those are actually like labeled. So I mean, you even have like your hazard, fire, TC, your wet/dry, ABS, like your fuel reserve, rain light. You have like all that kind of stuff on that little panel right there. It's like little buttons, and it's all labeled, and then obviously the NOS bottle right there. And the steering wheel is actually almost like a Formula One kind of yoke style, which is, I mean, obviously like on a R8 LMS in real life. And there's even like a little gauge cluster that's like a little screen, has the Audi logo, and it's so detailed. Like you can actually like read some of the stuff on it. I think that's absolutely amazing. But the next step in the instructions is to essentially put the whole roof on. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of that inside and of the engine bay before we get it all closed up. Obviously there is like a little roll cage over the engine bay, which I think is pretty cool. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this thing up and catch back up with you guys in just a second with the final build. All right, so I finished up the kind of final build for the standard version, and this thing looks so good. So there's obviously the front end, the grille looks amazing. It says Audi R8 LMS on there. Even has like little canards on the front corners, which are actually printed on. And then all the decals and designs are all printed in all the separate pieces. So I really love that. You can do this entire build, no stickers or anything. The Audi logo on the back with the little R8. And obviously that wing looks really good as well. This thing looks so awesome. And something else this has is even the back hatch opens up, and it's even in the actual shape of the real R8 one, which is such a cool touch. And I think this just looks amazing. Obviously the doors open up there. Detailed taillights, super detailed headlights as well. And like I said, all these are like printed on pieces, so it's not like you had to sit and line up stickers or anything. Like you can do this whole build as it sits without doing any stickers at all. Here's the little Hot Wheel version of it. I did go with the black wheels since the Hot Wheel version has black wheels, and I think they just look a little bit better. But this one does have like the numbers on it. So I think we're going to go ahead and kind of do the final part of the build. This is kind of like the standard version, but since an Audi R8 LMS is a crazy race car, you would think that they would make like a standard Audi R8 and then the LMS would be like the kind of upgraded version. But the standard LMS is the option here, and then you can go even crazier. The picture is showing a just like massive front splitter, which in my opinion looks kind of like a snowplow. I'm probably not going to do that. I'm probably going to do like the upgraded wing and then like all the stickers and everything. And then for me, that's how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to put on these wheels either. I think these look like more like factory stock wheels on like a standard R8. And I think the black wheels, which are on it right now, I think those look really good. Like they're more like race style. So I think I'm good with those ones. But let me go ahead and finish up the build to the max. I'm going to do all the extra upgrades on it, and there's even like an extra little parts bag for the upgrades. So I'll catch back up with you guys in a second once I have everything else on the car. Alright, so I did get everything put on and went ahead and put on that front splitter as well, so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. Let me resituate that wing there. Alright, so there it is. I have the bigger wing, so if you want to compare the original wing it came with next to the giant wing, you can see the white one's a lot bigger. And I actually really like the bigger one. And I even put like little stickers, have the Audi logo on the side and up on top. Even some more stickers there, some on the side. There were some other ones you could put like different brands on there. I think it was like Sparco, KW, and Motul, or if that's how you say it, I'm not sure. But honestly, when comparing it back to the Hot Wheel doesn't have a lot of decals on it, especially on that side blade. So I just kept it off. I mean, I think it looks pretty good like this. And I want it to still kind of look more like the actual like little mini version. So I just did some of them. There's that giant front splitter that in my opinion is just kind of too big. It just doesn't really flow with the car. Like the rear wing looks good, the front doesn't. But luckily this splitter does come right off and does just mount on underneath the original front splitter, which looks just like that, which I think this is like a good complete look. Still got the giant wing, aggressive front end. It still has like a decent front splitter there, which I really like. But definitely let me know what you guys think about this. And like I said, you can pick it up on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description down below. And I mean, this is like one of my favorite builds that Mattel Brick Shop has made so far that I've put together. And I just absolutely love this car. But if you guys did like the video, go down, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you hop onto my main channel, just MT Paradise, I have a lot of like crazy car content with real supercars. So definitely go check that out. But like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.